Hi there, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ever since Andile Mpisane got engaged to Tamia, people have been dying to get a look at the engagement party, and videos of that party became available on the internet today, you guys. We have found that video, and I'm going to play that video without the background music because of copyright claims. Take a look at this beautiful ceremony, you guys, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Here's the video.